If you want to use Beautify Effects on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to open the camera. To find Beautify Effects, we need to find this icon over here on the right side of the phone. So we can tap on it in order to use Beautify Effects. In some cases, for example, in the photo mode by using the rear camera, we only simply have a slider that adjusts the Beautify effect. However, if we switch to the front camera and use the same option, then now in this case we have more options, like for example the smoothness of the skin, the tone, contour, makeup, slender, head size, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, bunch of different options to choose from, and all of which can be adjusted by moving left and right. And that's pretty much it. You can also use this option over here apparently in order to, I assume, see the difference between the original unedited photo and the one with the Beautify effects. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!